So that's the ABS. Mine's throwing a code for rear left, which is supposedly the driver's side on the rear wheel speed sensor. It's throwing StabiliTrak, ABS, traction control, 2017 Tahoe, and I got that bolt out. Usually you get that bolt out and you can twist it. You can twist it and work it out. And then it runs up to right there, which my new sensor comes with all new these little deals right here, the little holding clamps. The new sensor come with all that new. And then that's the plug. It's gonna be sitting on top of this. I just reached in and grabbed it like that and popped it up to where I can slide it out and get to the actual plug. And then it's another little holder clamp right there. Once you get all that off, unplug it. You just put the new one on. And that's my new one. It already got new holders on it to pop in, hold it in place. And a new holder for the top. So when I plug it in, I can push it back down on top.